Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. You can make one common mistake that can cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Toyota Corolla. That generation here from year 2013 to year 2017. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the moonroof fuses are located, which fuses you need to check, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. What's important guys, to always test fuses and relays, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to do engine work, transmission, mechanical, body work, anything you can think of practically. On this channel specifically, we'll be making at least 150 to 200 videos about that Toyota Corolla, that generation guys. If you have one of those, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car does not want to start, you can, and you find out that the fuel pump is bad, you're not getting fuel, you can just search for fuel pump relay, fuel pump fuse really quickly, watch the video, spend a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road, because the writings on the fuse boxes are very vague and most people will not even know what they mean. So we will be making videos about every possible fuse and relay in that Toyota Corolla. So let's start on it now. So for the moonroof guys, which fuses we will need to check, we will demonstrate on that generation Toyota Corolla right here. You guys have multiple fuse boxes, okay, in that Toyota Corolla, but today we'll be working actually in just one for the moonroof, and that's on the driver's side. So open the door on the driver's side and look under the dash. If you look upside down on the left side, you will find on the bottom of the dash a white cover that looks like this one here. So here guys, okay, if you remove it, underneath you'll find the main interior fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here guys, we need to check specifically, okay, two fuses. Now guys, if you need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Toyota Corolla or any car at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we will put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. Here, that's fuse number 1 through 16, and that row is 17 through 32. Here, starting here, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you have sunroof, check that fuse right here, that will be the main fuse. You may have a secondary fuse, which will be fuse 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 25, right here. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching, see you next time.